Toastmasters. I'm here for the first time here, and way back in 1987, I was with Toastmasters Club in YMCA. So it was my passion to join it, or you can say it was my craving to join here. I tried to join it in Gurgaon also, but I could not continue with it. And when it came to Power Grid, so I was very like that ki, "Arey, I have to jump into it." And this way I disturbed Lata also. Ki Lata, why I am not here, others are here. So Lata said, "Okay, don't worry madam, it's your time will also come." So okay, she has given me the topic. Okay, so if I say one thing, sometimes we don't know ki what actually we are doing today and what it's going to become in future, or what the exact picture will come, whether it will be in a positive direction or it will be in a negative direction. We don't know about it. So this way I would like to give the example of my theatre life, because life is theatre and theatre is life for me, and I believe in it very badly, you can say. So I kept on doing my theatre plays like a hobby. First it was like a punishment. I was introduced to this form of art, and later on it became my hobby. I couldn't understand when it automatically became my hobby, and then now it's one of my lifelines also. Apart from my family, my job, it's one of my lifelines. So when I kept on doing that, I didn't think of it, okay, what I am doing, how much I am doing, and what will be the result. But I kept on doing the aura farming day by day with small steps, and it was like my you can say when I started it, I was not aware of it. But when it was about joining National School of Drama, so they asked me ki, how much work you have done. So I said ki I haven't calculated it at any time, and that's why I kept on recalling all the things, and then I draw a complete data of my work. Then I came to know that I have done 22 plays so far with with multiple shows in Delhi NCR. Then I got admitted to that school, and it was all aspects of theatre. So it was like the topic she gave me, and forgot that topic. Actual words. So it came with like, oh, it was like the small particles have made a heap of mountain, and I am owner of 22 plays. After that, the second term came, and second time it was like, shall I continue for 2 minutes? Over? Acha. Anyways, thanks for giving me this opportunity. The story will go on in next session. This was small introduction. Thank you.